In this video I am gonna show you how to make responsive bento grid design in Figma. So let's get started. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So we can make a frame. Now add layout grid. Select column. Now make its count 12. Use stretch so that it will be responsive and make margin 24. Now add another layout grid. Now select row. And this time make count 6. And margin will be 24. Now let's add rectangles. Now select the frame and hide layout grid. Select frame. Hit enter to select all rectangles. Now add radius. Select the frame and we will check it if it is responsive. Now you can see it is not responsive if we stretch it. Select frame. Hit enter to select all rectangle layer. Make constraint left plus right and top plus bottom. Now you can see we have get flexible layout grid. Now let's add some images. Hit enter to select all rectangle layer. Now add images. Now you can see they are all responsive. If we adjust them. Now if we select the image and check it. You can see by default it is set to fill. That is what we need. Now we will add some text. Select both text and add Auto-Layout. Now select the frame and image and add Auto-Layout to it also. Do it same with second one. Now if we check it, you can see that it is not responsive. Select the first image frame. Hit enter to select text frame. Now change the width from fixed width to fill container. Again select the first image frame and make its constraint left plus right and top plus bottom. Now if we check it, you can see that the first image is now responsive. Now select the second image frame. Make the constraint left plus right and top plus bottom. Now hit enter and select the text frame. Now change it width from fixed width to fill container. Now if we check it, you can see that second image is also become responsive. Now select the first image frame, like and share text, and make its alignment center. Now select the first image frame and add a fill and make its opacity 42%. Do the same with second frame. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.